Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into the channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make restaurant quality food or better from my home to your home. So guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, as you can see, I have some manicotti, got some buffalo sauce, I got some Alfredo sauce. And today we're going to be making you a cheesy buffalo chicken manicotti. Okay? And what you're going to need is, of course, this manicotti, Alfredo, this Bartelli, and this is this buffalo sauce. I'm gonna shake that up, make sure it's shaked up pretty good. And this, you're gonna need some chicken. Now I have this recipe already. I already made some other stuff with this. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is turn this into like a buffalo chicken. So it's chicken and the cheese in there. It's a whole bunch of different stuff in there. All right. First thing you want to do, you want to take some of this. I say like a quarter cup, like that. Put that in there. Reserve this for later. I'm just gonna stir this up, guys. Just like this. Alright. I'm going to take all this stuff and put it in this Ziploc bag. I'm just going to take this guy, put it in the bag. I know some of you guys probably getting tired of me making these sandwiches. That's all he know how to make? I know how to make a lot of stuff, guys. Right now, like I said, I'm dealing with some issues in our family. So, why I've been not like on YouTube that often. Take that and put that over there. Clean this up a little bit. So you want to cook these noodles. You want to cook these noodles for about a good 15 minutes, okay? All right. Put a little salt and oil in the pot. All right. See you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. I just had to throw on a glove real quick. I think I got the wrong glove on. Matter of fact, I just did another. These are gloves that I'll be using, extra large. Right here, I buy these as Gordon's, which I call GFF. Gordon Food Services. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cut this. I already poked the bag. This bag didn't have corners on it, so I have to maneuver it in a certain type of way. So I'm going to just go ahead and poke it open like that. Alright, my manicotti been soaking in the water, cold water, because I don't want the noodles to stick together. So you want to open it up like that. Take this and just try to stuff it. Which I don't think this is going to work too good for me because this bag needs to have corners. So, and we're going to have a tough time if we're going to do it like that. So I have to find something else. I have to wing it. Oh my God. See, I don't like to work hard. I like to work smart. I forgot about this bag. It don't fold like that. This one looks like it's kind of messed up. You want to get this mic in here. And that's why if you had a little hole, you can just like put it in a little hole. So I do apologize for that. One end, I'm going to try to do the other end. as that's gonna get. So yes, make sure you guys get the other bag that have corners to it. Otherwise, you're gonna have a hot mess. So let me go ahead and wash these gloves off. And I'm gonna come off this camera because I gotta find that pastry bag. But before then, I'm gonna go ahead and show you this sauce. You gotta put a little sauce on here, just like that. Put a little bit more, just like that, guys. And you just want to brush this around or whatever, move it around in there. Just like that. And I'm really sorry, guys. And then you just take these and sit them in. I might have to go like this with it. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. So I couldn't find my my thing that I needed. So what I'm trying to show you how to cheat. Just put your finger in here and just slide it open just like so. See that? And you take your stuff and squeeze it in there. That's the only way I can do it. I can't afford it not to do it. So, but you won't have a problem if you guys buy the bag, the gallon bag. They got the corners to it. So this is all I did. Took it and rolled it just like that. See if I can fit another one up in here. I think I got one left. Yep, see how it's open. So we're just going to take the rest of this stuff and squeeze it in there and wrap it up. It. Throw this away because I'm done with that. Ain't gonna use it for nothing else. Just like that, guys. Let them get a rag and wipe this up. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this buffalo sauce, drizzle a little bit on there, just like so. Like that, guys. I'm gonna take this cheese and we're gonna spread us some cheese on that. Alright. And we will make another one. And I will have the right equipment then. I thought that bag had corners, so I do apologize. Like I say, I try to keep it real on my channel. I want you guys to, you know, I don't like to play games like that. So I want you guys to know if you come across that, this is how you can fix it. Okay? Alright, that's that. Make sure all this got some cheese on it. And this is what we looking like, guys. Alright, we're going to pop that in the oven for about good 25 minutes. And then we'll serve it up. See you guys then in a minute. Alright guys, I am back. That's it right there. Buffalo chicken, or should I say cheesy buffalo chicken manicotti. We got some garlic bread right here. Alright guys, we got me a little plate before we test this out. See how this going to taste. I already know it's going to taste good. So I'm worried about that one. So, hey. right here. Ooh, yeah. That over there. Some of that stuff fell out. That's why it's supposed to be stuffed. Alright. Piece of garlic bread over here. This is it. Taste it. That just means it's time for me to wrap this up real quick. Actually, it's real good. Oh my God. It's real good, guys. Super delicious. Oh, OMG. Super good. Oh. I'm ready to wrap this one up. I'm ready to eat. It is super good though. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Same recipe. Jumbo. Only thing different is that buffalo sauce. We'll go ahead and wrap this up, guys. Guys, please give me a like, a share, and please subscribe to this channel. Tell all your friends and family. Somebody out here teaching you how to make restaurant quality food or better. From my home to yours. Guys, see you next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. And please, that's right, don't forget to hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I load another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGGS Kitchen. And I'm out.